Hey guys, I'm Natasha Denona. I am going to teach you how to achieve this simple everyday look in 4 single steps and how to elevate it into this soft evening glam using my retro eyeshadow palette. This is a video for everyone that just recently entered the makeup world and all of you makeup experts. I'm using Go-Go, which is a medium super natural shade. It comes in my iconic cream powder formula, which is super user friendly. You can apply it with your finger or with a blending brush. Then I'm picking up Patty, which is a super natural metallic shade, and spreading this with my finger all over the lid. Next, with Helio, I want to brighten up the inner corner. This is a super soft buttery eyeshadow, my classic signature metallic eyeshadow formula. And finally, with Amara, I'm going to emphasize the upper lash line. Always make sure to thicken the outer third to lift the eye. An extra tip for achieving a saddle cat eye look is to accent the inner V. And this is the complete everyday look. And now I'm going to show you in 3 steps how to elevate this into a beautiful soft evening glam. So for the first step, I am going to give a little bit of drama to the outer corner of the lid. And for this, I'm using Opart, also my cream powder formula that is so soft and can be also easily be buildable and layered on top of other eyeshadows. Drag this eyeshadow from the outer corner in a diagonal angle towards the outer third and blend it into the crease. And then continue also to buff the same eyeshadow across the lower lash line. For the second step, I'm going into Groove. This is a deep eggplant shade, a classic pressed powder matte formula, and deepening the upper and lower lash lines on the outer corners. And finally, to achieve a super glossy and sparkling eyelid, I'm using Psychedelic, which is a high foiled and sparkling eyeshadow. For a subtle sheen, you can use a damp blending brush, or for a full glam on your eyelids, you just pick up the formula with your finger and spread it across the center and inner corners. This is it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you found it very helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye!